And wait, pause the goddamn video for 1 second. Guys, finally, we are doing what I've suggested for time. This is what I need. I'm so sick of freaking entitled Karens. I wanna forget about them. Let's see some kindness. Okay, we're up. Aww. You know, I've already forgot about him. That's so cute, man. That's so cute. That's so nice. He helps her up. She's just trying to get in her car. Wow, you know what? Big A+ there. Love it, guys. Love it. Sick type. So I decided to give him a Hot Wheel of his car. Oh, dude, I think I've seen videos like this before. I think that this guy, like the guy who puts the Hot Wheel on there, like I think he does that. Like I've seen like other videos of this as well. Like he's done this like more times than one. Like, yeah. That's so cool. I just walked into my car and I was like, oh my god, just that thought, man. It's just like somebody's out there thinking about you, wanting you to have a good day, and like what a small thing that's like nothing. It's a Hot Wheels, you know. It's like, how much does that cost? Like hardly anything, right? But it's just like boom, like I guarantee you just made that guy's month.
A barber showed his support to his friend who was battling cancer by doing this.
Yeah, there we go. Get it done, dude. Get it done. Respect. Respect, man. You know, like you gotta love videos like that. Obviously, like my dude in the chair, like he is going through it right now, and you know, hearts out to that man. Like hopefully, like his, you know, he's fighting that good fight and he is winning, right? But it's like it takes little actions like that to like keep him motivated and like keep him in the game, man. So just like yes, like yes.
When was the last time you had a nice pair of shoes, bro? About 2 years. 2 years? I got you some new Jordans, bro.
Yo, damn.
I've never had it.
Spaghetti's your favorite food, right? I got you some spaghetti, bro.
I'm so happy.
Yeah, literally, it's like my dude's just down on his luck, you know, like something, and like this isn't. Is this gonna change like the rest of his life? No, it's not. Is it gonna make him not homeless anymore? No, it isn't. But it's gonna give this guy like literally a fighting shot to just wake up tomorrow and be like, okay, like we can do this, like we can tackle this, you know. And sometimes that's just like the little Kickstarter that people need, right? So, respect.
So what I'm gonna do for you is I'm gonna give you your tip right here. That's $100. You just paid off my car, sir. Keep it nice. Don't let people frustrate you. Here you go. Here go another $100.
Yeah.
You know what? Let me do good thing. Here go another $100.
Let's go, man. Throwback to the last video that I did where it was like somebody posting online. It's like somebody gave them like literally fake money when they tipped them, right? And now we're getting something like this, you know? Like, thank God. I'm so sick of looking at like people giving out fake money and being tools. I want to see people being nice, and like this is it, dude. Like that guy just said, like you just helped pay off my car, you know? Like these are real life problems that like people, like everyone's dealing with. Like that guy on the bus, like that dude walking down the street, like everyone's dealing with them, and like we don't know about it. But the second that you show them some kindness, it's like wow, like all that armor comes off, and it's like here you are. Love it. Oh, it's so freaking cute. Look at him.
Go, 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 go.
Yeah.
I watched the duck run a race.
Oh my god. The ducky. I love you. Wow. I love this duck. That is, dude, that's like the most famous duck ever. Like that is literally like an A-list celebrity duck. Like, and he made it. I don't know how far that thing ran, but like he was gunning it, man. Like he was keeping up with all them human beings. It's like, damn, these human beings are quick, but like me, I'm quicker, bro. Like I'm making it to the end. Like, let's go, dude. Wow. First duck marathon runner ever. Elite. Okay, we're at a wedding. Got the wheelchair going on. We're gonna help him. What are we doing? Yeah. Let's go. Let's go. That's so nice, man. Damn. Wow. Wow. That one, honestly, that one got to me a little bit, guys. That one got to me a little bit. Like, fuck yeah, man. People can be good. People can be good. You know, when they're not being Karens, people can be pretty good. And yeah, this is good. I like it.
Se você marcar gol, você pode fazer essa dancinha?
Bom, vamos fazer essa aí então. Fechou?
Boom. Oh yeah. Get to the back of the net. Yeah. He's got the whole team going. Let's go. Dude, that kid, can you imagine? I wish that we had it on camera. That kid watching the TV as he did that, man. Like, you already know, like, his entire world. Like, that's a key memory right there, man. Like, that is absolutely a defining moment in this kid's life. Okay, what are we doing here? We're digging something. Aww. Aw, yo, that's so cute. That is literally, wow, husband, like a husband material right there, dude. And you know what, this just goes to show, like, I'm clearly not ready for that, because, like, I just would never, like, I would love to do that, I just never would have thought of that. Like, my guy's just, like, thinking about shit that, like, other people, like, we ain't even on that, dude. Like, wow, elite levels of husband material. Wow, we are in a packed streetcar. A little bit triggered, I'll be honest. Okay. I totally missed it. Chris, did you see anything there?
Yeah, he's putting his hand on the bar and he's shit.
Oh, is that what's going on? Okay. Okay, so I think my dude, yeah, literally, like, my guy's just, like, making sure, basically, like, she is not going to, wow, she's passed out. Like, whoever that is passed out. That takes, that is literally a talent right there. If you can just, like, fully pass out standing up on a packed streetcar, I wish I had that ability. And I also wish, if I had said ability, that I had dudes like this, making sure that my head doesn't knock on the freaking bar, because that would suck. So, shut up, my dude. That's really cool of you. Okay. What are we doing? Oh. We just, what is that? Yo. He just gave, wow, he literally just gave his umbrella away. That is elite. That's literally, wow. I mean, like, I'm actually just not in a position in my life where I could be like giving away umbrellas and stuff like that. But I guess this guy is, and you know what? Maybe he's not either. Maybe he's not either. Maybe he does, maybe that's his only umbrella. Maybe he can't afford too much, but he gave it away anyways. And that's really cool. And like, that looks to be, I think it's a mother with a stroller, and like, she's just out here caught in the rain, and wow, really cool. I'm so happy that this was caught on camera. You know, I wonder how many times stuff like this happens and it's not caught on camera. I hope a lot. Okay. All right, we're all together. Yes. He's a little short. We'll give him that. Yay! Yeah. Let's go. I mean, that was just poor planning from the beginning though, guys. Like, that was just like, like, who decided to make this photo the way that this is? Like, we gotta get that guy somehow, like, we gotta have like a row of maybe like 4 in the front and then 2 in the back. Like, I understand that's not how it's supposed to be, but either way, they adjusted. That was some solid adjustment skills right there, some improv right on the fly. So like, love it. Anyways, guys, I hope that video or like some videos in there just made your day. If you can take anything from this, like, let's try to replicate that. You know, I know that everybody says, like, if you could do one nice thing every day, do it. And like, I think a lot of us say that, but then we don't actually follow through. Make it something small, you know, like text your friend, call your mom, like do something like that and just like make somebody feel good, because it'll help you too. Anyways, guys, please hit the like and subscribe button. I've been your host, Nicholas Blaylog, and I'll catch you next time. Random acts of kindness that make you forget about entitled Karens. You're kidding me. You're actually kidding me. Wow, finally.